Hey guys, you're looking at another new arrival here at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Beautiful looking, low mileage 2009 Honda Odyssey EXL with just 108,000 miles. Beautiful looking minivan in great shape, very well kept and maintained. Body looks very nice and clean. It's got tinted windows, alloy wheels, beautiful tires, all matching all around. Roof rack. Runs and drives great. It's been detailed and inspected, guys. It is a front row ready unit, again with just 108,000 miles, being 2009, super low miles. As I said, very nice and clean inside and out. Let's take a peek inside. It is fully loaded inside with all options. It's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, traction control, power sliding doors. Leather is in a great shape. Look at those beautiful seats. They are nice and clean. They are power seats and heated seats. It's got Bluetooth. No warning lights on the dash. It's got 108,000 miles. Beautiful, nice and clean dashboard with no issues, no problems. It's got navigation. It's got rear view camera, automatic climate control. Just turn it on. AC blows ice cold. AM, FM, aux, DVD. Beautiful, super nice and clean. Sunroof, clean headliner, non-smoking, no odors inside. As I said, power lift gates, power sliding doors. As you see, everything works perfectly fine on this Odyssey. It's got one extra seat in the middle here. So this is an 8-passenger minivan. It's got rear entertainment system for your kids, for your family. As you see, everything works on it. A beautiful minivan, guys. Very well kept and maintained, and fully loaded with all possible options on it. Here's the back seat. It's in a great shape as well. It's got bunch of keys, floor mats in the trunk. Any questions, please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com. For more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report. Let me show you alloy wheels. They're in a great shape. They're free of scuffs. Look at those beautiful necks and tires, all matching all around. Let me just show you under the hood. V6 with the 3.5 liter engine, automatic transmission, just 108,000 miles with a clean Carfax. Super nice, kept and maintained. Beautiful 2009 Honda Odyssey EXL, fully loaded, front row ready. Any questions, please call us, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report. Or simply stop by, visit our store. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois, and we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a great day.